stuff
Okay.
because the sheriff's department would not let us come in to
Yes,
get
sir.
my medicine, to take care of my birds.
Uh-huh.
They would not let me come in here to get anything.
Uh-huh.
And it was senseless because there was people that they were letting in that were not even homeowners. And they was keeping us out for knick-knack reasons
Yes, sir.
because Obama was flying over, which is ridiculous.
Uh-huh.
We was kept out for 2 days. We lost stuff that ruined. We lost animals because there was nobody to take care of them. And to me, it's senseless. It was done senseless.
Yes, and this a resident right here.
Yeah, it's.
I'm sure
Our whole community is lost. A lot of our neighbors died.
a lot of neighbors
And
passed away.
they would not allow us to come in and try to take care of what we had left. But there was people in here going through stuff.
Yes, and
But they said they was guarding stuff. I found baskets sitting in my floor where people had been gathering stuff up.
my God, yes. Here, right here, what you looking at, right here. And this my home. This where I grew up, right here, this area. How you doing, sir? Look at this right here. You can. Look at that right behind this door. Right here. The entire house is just about demolished. But they lived. They survived. It's a miracle. They survived.